Hello everybody, this is Pakistani truck page, and you are seeing this Mercedes-Benz 2635 from Pakistan. This is how they are loading in Pakistan. Look at the modification over here. This is fully modified truck from Mercedes-Benz. This is company MAG. This is the owner. And look at the body of this truck. Look at the decoration and see the painting on this. Very good look. This is Mercedes model 1995. See how Pakistani modifying the truck. I will show you the interior also, and look at this. This is the look at these paintings, the exterior body, and how people loading these trucks. Fully modified truck. See, laborers are loading these trucks. This is 46 feet in length. This is the back from see the painting and decoration over here. It's very beautiful views on painted on this truck's body. Look at the toolbox over here, and you can open these sides from the body. These are the locks. This is Germany made, and this body is Pakistani made.